My name is Kylie Griffin. I'm the owner and then also the head vet of this company, which is the Ark Veterinary Hospital. I've lived in Hong Kong for 20 years and the practice has been open for 15 years. There are, yes, some younger people probably who work very long hours, who don't really think before they buy their dogs that they may be leaving the puppy in the house for 8 hours, 10 hours all by itself. I think problems emerge very quickly at the puppy stage when that's happening, in that that's the point where we see them. They'll bring in these puppies that are not well fed, or they may be developing illness because of this. But later on, when the animal's older, we may not see that in the practice here. And if a person walks out of the house and doesn't take care that the animal can get food or make arrangements for somebody to come in and feed a puppy, then by the time they come home at 7 o'clock at night, the dog has ended up with low blood sugar, very cold, sometimes especially in winter. In other dogs, if they're not getting enough exercise, certainly if the owner's not home and they're not spending time with the dog, they will not be exercised. So they'll end up very, very fat. We do get dogs who come in obese, and also they're very nervous about going outside. They get very afraid to go out. So the problem actually feeds itself too, because then the owner gets afraid to take the dog out because it behaves really badly, and you know, the people in the street think they're cruel. The dog doesn't enjoy going for a walk, and then it consequently only ever comes out when it's coming somewhere bad, like here. We counsel them, explain what needs to be done, and suggest they make arrangements for somebody to come in and feed the puppy, or if it's the puppy, to rethink their decision. Especially with puppies, if they are telling me, oh, we're out of the house for 10 hours, 11 hours, I said, well, I will talk to them and we'll explain that's not a situation in which to keep a dog, and encourage them to rehome before it becomes an adult, because puppies are very, very easy to rehome and adults are not. So yeah, again, suggestions: if they're out that long and they really desperately want a pet, get a cat. Cats sleep all day. Are Hong Kong people aware of the needs that are required to keep a pet? And is there an education problem? There has been, and I think that Hong Kong people are learning. They do their homework. You've got the internet, makes a lot of difference. The pet becomes for them a very important social networking asset, if you like, very much. They talk and exchange information. And do I think more should be done by associations and the government to create more awareness of the needs of pets? I'm going to say no. I think they're doing a very good job. I think that I noticed on the MTR there's advertisements right at, or an advertisement right at eye level from the AFCD, Agriculture Fisheries, saying, you know, about a pet and commitment for life and everything. Like, you know, it's very, I think that's a very good thing. I know that the SPCA for a long time spends a lot of money on their advertising, their promotion for the welfare and that of pets. The government is working very, very hard to control pet shops and to educate people about buying from licensed pet shops.